Hello all. Today we would like to see the concept of constraint motions one by one. In the Newton's laws of motion, the first one is nothing but first one we have to work out for the string constraint. What do you mean by a string constraint? String constraint means whatever the connecting cable we are considering in the given problem that should satisfy the following characters. Let us see the first one. String should not expand and it should be with the massless one. During the motion of blocks which are interconnected by the string, that string should not carry any kind of energy, means there should not be any energy loss. Third one is most important point. All the parts of string should move with the uniform speed or uniform acceleration. Suppose if the string is an expandable one, in such a case we need to isolate a particular segment and then we have to develop independent equation for that particular part. Second one is most important one, that is called Pulley constraint. Under the Pulley constraint, first one is the mass of the pulley should be 0 and it should be free from all frictional forces. Means ideal pulley always associates with a massless and frictionless one. And the pulley should change the direction of the tension in the cable, but it should not alter the magnitude of the tension in the given system. These particular pulleys are of two types. Either may be a fixed one or may be a variable, means moving pulley type model problems in the given question. Suppose if you consider a moving type of pulley, then again we have two type of possibilities. First possibility, one end of the string passes through the pulley which is fixed at other end, and the remaining end will connect it to a block. In such a case, the acceleration of pulley is always equal to the double the acceleration of the block. That is a condition. If both sides are moving, in such a case, we have to take A1 plus A2 is equal to 2AP. Or we can take a shortcut, that is, let pulley is moving along with the blocks, means pulleys along with the blocks both are moving. Then the displacement of pulley is always equal to the average of the given two pulleys sides. That means XP is equal to X1 plus X2 by 2 we have to take. On the other hand, we have in mechanics we have one more important thing called as Veggie Constraint. In the Veggie Constraint, the blocks on the inclined plane should not leave the surface. Very first important. Block should move only on the inclined plane. The block and wedge both should be rigid. They should not deform the shapes during the calculation part. Fourth one, this is the very important condition. The relative velocity perpendicular to the contact plane of the two rigid bodies must be 0. Relative velocity means what here? The velocity of the block with respect to the velocity of inclined plane, such that with respect to normal their relative velocity should be 0. So these are the three important constraint relations we have to be take care. Tomorrow let us see application wise regarding the constraints. How can we apply for the different cases? Let us see.